Hello, welcome to FXStreet. Today we are going to talk about Chainlink and how it could be set for a 45% gain in the coming days. But before we dive into the technicals, please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter at FXStreet Crypto to be updated on the hottest trends in the cryptocurrency market. If we have a look today, we already see that Chainlink is preparing for a bullish uptick with a very nice consolidation phase that we saw on the low end at $16.80 and that are bulls using to enter into the price action and look ready to either at least test the 18.19 handle yet again, where they already got rejected on the 30th of January. It's quite normal that you normally see a sort of rejection and then a small pullback that bulls normally will use then to first contain price action from further fading, and secondly use it as an entry point to add to their position, a sort of average in from the lows that we had back in the end of January around $40. So momentum is set. We see that as well in the relative strength index that has seen a slight uptick towards 40, which shows that in this sort of swing trade back up, that investors have used the lower bounds as entry points, which then sees the buy side picking up in pace and volume and in demand, which can only go further upwards. Of course, global market sentiment is lending a little hand to the rally as well, as most of the US indices are in the green, and that should spill over into cryptocurrencies and should help, for example, Chainlink adding to some more gains coming to come. So as said, 18.90 will be crucial, but once through there is only one obstacle in the way, and that is around here, around 30-40% of gains already in the game, and that's $20.71. That level will be one to watch with the 55-day simple moving average coming in and possibly being used as a sort of cap on the price action. We already saw that back in November around here, where the 55-day got chopped up a little bit and then caused a sort of cap action to the downside, and did a similar thing, but then on the upside on January 7th, where it acted as a sort of launching platform for a reversal back to almost $30. So this critical level to watch in the next coming days, but all in all, once this global market positive sentiment keeps persisting, expect gains even to wind up to almost 42, 44 even percent, going towards $24.75, which coincides with the 200-day moving average, which is much selling as it has been hovering around that same level, around $24, $25, since 20th of December and has hardly moved ever since. So it would make sense that we see, as we did back in January, pop above, pop below, and now it looks set to pop above the 200-day moving average yet again. That's it for now on Chainlink currency. Please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter at FXStreet Crypto.